So this is what I have. It's called a Grant's. Not sure if it's the same thing I saw on the video, but close enough for me. I added about 1.5 ounces of Dawn in here, Dawn dishwashing liquid. That's what I use to wash the camper as well as my vehicles. If you can wash a duck with it, I guess you can use it on your camper and cars without any problem. And this attaches it to it after I put some water in it. I put this on, then I hook up my hose, and we'll see what happens. Be interesting. Okay, the way this works, I got my water in there. It did foam up a little bit as I was putting water in, so I let the water come all the way to the top and just push the foam on out initially. So this is the attachment that comes with it. You can just spray straight water and rinse, and then when you're soaping, you just snap that right on and she's ready to go. Hey, rinse, then soap, then brush, then rinse, because I don't want to really brush dirt. A lot of dirt build up in the storms that come through. Now what I do, I will, after I've brushed it, I'll clean my brush with just plain water. And there it went to the bottom of the ladder. I have to go get it now. Soaked it up pretty good. I like that. I will say he does do a good job of soaping. I don't know. What you think? Bottom half, my wax is still looking pretty good. No, it's looking all right. got some over here on this side. I got a feeling once I get this down, it can be a lot quicker. It's just, you know, getting the routine down like I want it. I wanted to take just a minute to do a quick wrap on using the foaming spray gun for soaping the camper down when I'm washing it, and also for using the hat with the GoPro. Honestly, both of them are going to be game changers for me, especially the foamer. I really like that. It speeds up my process. I use less water. I use less soap. Those are the pros on it. The con is that I have to keep the vehicle or the camper wet and damp, because as I'm using that spray foamer, it's putting foam over areas that's beyond what I'm trying to put it on. Like if I'm putting it on the sides, it actually gets on the top, so I have to rinse the top again and get the sides, because I don't want that to dry on the camper or the vehicle. Because I did use it on my Jeep, and I washed the Jeep. It was faster, a lot faster for me, and I'm going to be using it on both in the future. The hat, yeah, I bought it before, a few months ago actually. I bought it for hiking and thinking that might work with me and free up my hands. And so when I got it in and wore it around the house for a few minutes, just felt bulky and awkward. And I like hats, I wear hats, and I just didn't feel comfortable with it, so I just put it away. This time I brought it out to free my hands up for when I washed this camper, and once I got started, I actually forgot it was even up there on my head. It did really well filming, and I was impressed with how it didn't have a whole lot of head movement. I probably have more hand movements than I do head movements. And hiking, I think it's going to work well for me too. I think it's going to free my hands up and get a good video as we hike. And more so that if I look at something that I'm interested in, the camera's going to capture it. Where sometimes when I've got it in my hand, I look at something I'm interested in and the camera's not there. Then it's there. You know, a lot of hand movements, a lot of delays. So just see how it works out. But in the meantime, until we meet again, happy trails, stay safe, and enjoy camping life. And something else I like: GoPro, stop recording.